Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this outfit from Barbie's fashion fairy tale and Dress to Impress. So let's get started with the video. I'll remove everything for this one. It's super simple to do. For the hair I just use this in this brown, and then I also use this one in no bangs in brown too, and I just use the accessory adjustments to kind of move it backwards a little bit, and I did scale it down, and then I'm just going to bring it up just a little bit, but not too much, like this. I think I might adjust this a little bit more like that. Okay, for the fit itself, I'm just going to go to VIP, get this top, and you are going to color it this color, and then this color again, and then we're going to color it this dark color, and then this color in glitter. Oops. Then you're going to get this corset, color it similarly, except for the second one. We are going to use this color here, maybe in silk. Actually, it's not glitter. Actually, I'll use glitter on that. And then that color in glitter, and that color again. For the skirt and the bows, we do need VIP. I'm just going to use this first in the fourth toggle, in this color in glitter, and then here select the third toggle, this color in glitter, and then this color in glitter, and then lastly we will need this purple in glitter, and then the last color I'm just going to color it like purplish pink. For the bow, we're going to get this one, toggle it to bow only, and we're going to color it like a pinkish purple color in silk, like so. Then for the necklace, I'm just going to grab this one, and I'm just going to go in between like pink and purple. Maybe add in a little bit of blue in there actually. Like that. And then for the bag, I just use this one in the shoulder toggle. Color it this color here, CD3360 in silk, and I just made that a little bit darker, and then the rest I'm just going to color it this color. Now for the shoes, I just use the one from the Valentine's Day collection. It's like purplish pink, like this color, CE89CE, and I'm just going to do that for both. And that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!